In the twilight's embrace, where dreams collide, we stand on the edge with nothing to hide. The winds of change are whispering low. With every heartbeat, we're ready to go. Through valleys of doubt and mountains of fear, we'll carve our own path with our vision clear. The stars are our guide, the moonlight our song. In this journey together, we've been here all along. So take my hand, let's chase the unknown. With courage as our compass, we'll find our way home. In the silence of the night, our hearts will ignite. We'll dance in the shadows, we'll soar into the light. We're reaching for the heavens beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find out forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. As the dawn breaks gently, painting the sky, we'll capture each moment, let our spirits fly. With every sunrise, a new chapter begins. In the canvas of life, we'll find where love wins. Through trials and triumphs, we'll write our own fate. With the fire of our passion, we'll never be late. In the dance of the cosmos, we'll twirl and spin. With every heartbeat, we'll feel the rush within. So take my hand, let's chase the unknown. With courage as our compass, we'll find our way home. In the silence of the night, our hearts will ignite. We'll dance in the shadows, we'll soar into the light. We're reaching for the heavens beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find out forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. And when the night falls and the world feels cold, we'll light up the darkness with a love so bold. With every heartbeat, we'll shatter the chains. In the light of our love, nothing remains. Through the silence and chaos, we'll rise above. In the depths of our souls, we'll find our love. With dreams intertwined, like stars in the night, we'll chase on forever until the morning light. Reaching for the heavens beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find out forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. So here's to the journeys, the paths yet to find. With every step forward, we leave fear behind. In the tapestry of
in the quiet of the evening glow, when shadows dance and whispers flow, we stand at the edge, hearts wide open. In the stillness, dreams are spoken. The world is vast, a tapestry bright, with threads of courage woven through the night. We'll leave behind the weight of yesterday, embrace the dawn, let it light our way. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath we're reborn. Through the storms in the darkest night, we'll find our way. compass, love as our guide. We'll soar through the skies, side by side. As the stars begin to fade away, we'll gather strength for the coming day. With every challenge that lies ahead, we'll paint our dreams in shades of red. No more shadows, no more chains. In the dance of life, we'll break the reins. With open arms, we'll face the sun. In the symphony, we're all as one. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told. With hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. As the stars begin to fade away, we'll gather strength for the coming day. With every challenge that lies ahead, we'll paint our dreams in shades of red. No more shadows, no more chains. In the dance of life, we'll break the reins. With open arms, we'll face the sun. In the symphony, we're all as one. In the silence, hear the echoes of dreams unfulfilled, of untold fates. But we'll shatter the limits, we'll rewrite the rules. With the heart of a lion, we'll rise above fools. For every moment lost, there's a chance to regain the fire of our spirits. We'll dance in the rain, together we'll stand, unyielding, unbound. With the strength of the countless, we'll roar, we'll be loud. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath we're reborn. Through the storms in the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told. With hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. And when the horizon is painted in gold, we'll gather the memories and stories we hold. In the laughter and tears, the lessons we learn. With each step we take, our passion is burned. The world may challenge, but we'll never fall. With the strength of our dreams, we can conquer it all. So let's raise our voices, let's sing out loud. In the choir of the brave, let's stand proud.
Silence before the dawn, where the shadows and the dreams are drawn. We gather strength, we raise our voice in the echoes of a whispered choice. The world is vast, a canvas wide. With every heartbeat we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, we'll rise anew, unbroken, untamed. Every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar, unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar, unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night. Our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. Through the echoes of a forgotten song, we find our way where we belong. In the whispers of the night, we'll ignite. With every step, we'll chase the light. Fires of passion burn in our souls. With every heartbeat, we'll take the right goals. No more shadows, no more chains. In the tapestry of dreams, love remains. With every tear, we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar, unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll seems endless and the night feels long, we'll find the strength within us, we'll keep holding on. In the silence, hear the thunder, feel the fire ignite. Together we are fearless, we'll rise up and fight for every moment.